So today we have amongst us Dr. Velumani, born in Coimbatore, and he did his MSc and PhD from Mumbai University in thyroid biochemistry. After working for 14 years in Baba Atomic Research Center, he launched his own business and a brand called Thyrocare in 1995. In 2016, it got listed in NSE, and in June 2021, he exited Thyrocare when it reached $1 billion USD valuation. A storyteller par excellence on life, career, and business, he is a personality you would love listening to. In every word and statement of his, he has a lot to give. I was lucky enough to spend an hour with him today, and he is going to be more luckier today to spend some time with the entrepreneurs of Chrysalis Entrepreneur Forum, with the biggest energy levels that you can have, with the highest applaud that you can have. Please welcome on stage Dr. Velumani at Chrysalis Entrepreneur Forum. Welcome to the forum, sir. I request Mani sir to please come on stage and give a token of respect and love from our side to Dr. Velumani. A mark of love, respect, and gratitude from our side to you, sir. Welcome to Chrysalis Entrepreneur Forum.
Thank you. नमस्कार. मी मराठीमध्ये बोलू का? पाहिजे तर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये कुठली गावामध्ये गेला त्यांना इंग्लिश पण नाही येते, हिंदी पण नाही येते. मी मराठीला स्टोरी कळवून त्यांना मोटिवेट करू शकतो. Ladies and gentlemen, I stayed as a paying guest in a Maharashtrian house for 10 years. And I have fortunately learned Marathi also. Right. My story is not new. It's available in YouTube, a lot of podcast interviews. My punchlines are not new. I am on Instagram for the last 13 months, and I have 2.5 million followers. अरे तालियां तो बजनी चाहिए. Before we proceed further, there were two entrepreneurs who showed a wonderful growth curve. Please give a round of applause for that. Business is nothing but grow or go. Is that clear? If you are not growing, you are gone. Because if the turnover does not grow, the expenditures anyhow is growing. It will eat you. So very important is growth. I wish both entrepreneurs, they are young in age, they add a zero in 10 years. If you can add a zero in 10 years, that's most powerful journey, and I wish you all the best. ऐसा तो मेरा स्टोरी में बहुत सारा मसाला होता है, और कहाँ जन्म हुआ, कैसा बड़ा हुआ, पढ़ाई कैसा हुआ, मुंबई क्यों आया, मुंबई से शादी क्यों किया, मुंबई से नहीं, मुंबई की लड़की से, एंड सरकार नौकरी कैसा मिला, उसको भी कैसा रिजेक्ट किया, मतलब एग्जिट किया. बहुत सारा मसाला एस्पेक्ट्स है. I think the first time I am addressing a crowd, as said very clearly, a forum by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. It's a very powerful forum, and I am supposed to be creating not less than 1,000 more jobs today by this talk. That's what the goal is. So I will tell the masala part in short. Business innovations, strategies, what did I do, how did I do, we'll spend more time. And then I love answering questions. That's why the podcast went very viral. So you people be prepared to ask me questions. I will spend my time as much as possible to make you to make your questions answered. So fortunately from a village, from Coimbatore, and fortunately born poor, ये दोनों मैं इसलिए बोलता हूँ, the ones who are from village had an MBA without any theory, it's all practical. सुबह से शाम तक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, वो भी पुअर फैमिली, उसका मतलब every possible problem comes in poor house. In a poor house, the problems are solved, some by parents, a lot by children. But in a rich house, problems are solved, some by parents, a lot by servants. उसका मतलब धनवान को बेटे को प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करना उतना नहीं आता है जितना गरीब को आता है. सो आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. आई कीप टेलिंग दिस. गांव में इसलिए बोलता हूँ, डोंट सिट एंड क्राई. मेरा जन्म शहर में नहीं हुआ, गांव में हुआ. दैट्स द फॉर्चुनेट थिंग, राइट. स्कूल भी ऐसा था, एक क्लासरूम 5 क्लास, एक क्लास टीचर. हार्लिक्स नहीं था, बोर्नविटा नहीं था, एटलस नहीं था, डिक्शनरी नहीं था, पेरेंट टीचर एसोसिएशन नहीं था, स्कूल बस नहीं थे, बाइजू नहीं था. लुक एट इट. सो कैसे भी तमिलनाडु had wonderful chief ministers, past tense. There was one chief minister, Mr. Kamaraj. He brought meals to the schools. अगर वो नहीं होता शायद मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता. अभी भी याद है, एक हाथ में स्लेट था, दूसरा हाथ में प्लेट था, दोनों एल्युमिनियम थे. Why I am telling this? Very emotional for a billionaire to remember. स्कूल को खाने के लिए गया था, पढ़ाई साथ में मिला था. Right? So I want all of you to not feel bad if you were born poor and studied in Tamil medium, fortunately. And my advice to all of you as parents, first 10 years a child should study only one language, that's mother tongue. Next 10 years add English. Then next 10 years you know किससे शादी करता है, कौन सा स्टेट में सेटल होता है, वो लैंग्वेज बाद में पढ़ो. No book to study. In 12th standard, I had 200 out of 200 in mathematics. And that's the power of focus. इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ना था, लेकिन उस जमाना में 5 साल की कोर्स था और वो भी फीस इंजीनियरिंग ज़्यादा था. पूरा फीस मुझे ही कमा के सीखना था. पेरेंट्स टोल्ड, यू मैनेज योर अफेयर्स, वी हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. देन आई थॉट 3 साल का डिग्री ठीक है, डिग्री चाहिए. एंड देन बीकॉम में 4 अक्षर था, बीएससी में 3 अक्षर था. बीकॉम का 300 रुपया था, बीएससी का 400 रुपया था. मैंने डिसीजन लिया बीकॉम में क्या कमी है. एंड आई वाज इन अ कॉमर्स फॉर 1 full month. आई वाज अ बीकॉम स्टूडेंट. एक डॉक्टर KR कार्तिकेयन था. सेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? यस सर. नो इंजीनियरिंग, पुअर सर. no chemistry, poor sir. And it took 10 minutes for me to explain that 100 rupees was the poverty problem. अपना पॉकेट से 100 रुपया निकाल के मुझे कॉमर्स ब्लॉक से साइंस ब्लॉक लाया था. अगर वो नहीं होता आज मैं यहाँ खड़ा रह के भाषण नहीं देता. Coimbatore rejected me because they didn't give me a job, first class BSc. Everybody was asking the same stupid, silly question. Do you have experience? गधे. मई महीना में एग्जाम खत्म हो गया, अप्रैल महीना में, जून महीना में मैं कहाँ से एक्सपीरियंस लाऊं? It's almost like sitting in front of a girl whom you are likely to marry and asking her तुम्हारी कितने बच्चे हैं? 1978 में डिसीजन लिया था, अगर मैं एक दिन एक कंपनी चलाऊंगा उधर सिर्फ फ्रेशर को ही लूंगा, एक्सपीरियंस को नहीं लूंगा. Ladies and gentlemen, in my 25 years of business in Thyrocare, I had employed 25,000 freshers. Just now that entrepreneur was telling, जगह ज़्यादा है, बढ़ाया, employee team बढ़ाया, सब बढ़ाना है, तो बढ़ाना ही business है, नहीं तो वो बड़ा business नहीं है. So, let me also tell you, आजकल मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलता हूँ, मैं आपसे ये सवाल पूछूंगा, वो ही जवाब आने वाला है. सवाल ये है, what is your single largest problem you are facing in growth? साहब, आदमी नहीं मिलता है हिंदुस्तान में. मैं बोलता हूँ, भाई साहब 150 करोड़, जब ये मोदी चालू किया 1.25 करोड़ देशवासियों, अभी 1.5 करोड़ हो गया, राइट? अभी तक वो कुर्सी पे बैठा है, 25 करोड़ आबादी बढ़ गया है. Then he realizes my answer is wrong, I am a lazy man. साहब, आदमी मिलता है लेकिन ट्रेन्ड आदमी नहीं मिलता है. I am very naughty. So I tell him, बच्चा चाहिए, खुद का चाहिए. एम्प्लॉय चाहिए और किसी का चाहिए. Then he understands I am not easy to manage. Then he goes to another step. साहब, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को ट्रेन किया, वो लोग भाग जाते हैं, कोई तो उसको ले लेता है. Then I tell the naughtiest punchline. If you don't love your spouse, your neighbor will. Take care of your employee, otherwise your competitor will love him. So that's my advice. Business is nothing but having more people than needed. Not minimum people. Having more people than needed. And keeping all of them engaged. Is that clear? Very simple, gentlemen. अगर आदमी ज़्यादा नहीं है तो टर्नओवर नहीं बढ़ेगा, और वो लोग फालतू बैठा है तो प्रॉफिट नहीं रहेगा. That's simple. So I want this to be kept in your mind. Keep having space, having people, otherwise there won't be a growth. So Coimbatore rejected me. I came to Mumbai, railway station VT. 3 nights I stayed there. Came in August 18, 1982. S9 coach, berth number 41. मैं लोगों को ये बार बार बोल के आ रहा हूँ ताकि उनको भी ऐसा एक फीलिंग होएगा, मैं भी घर से निकल जाऊँ तो जीत सकता है. एंड लेट मी आल्सो टेल यू, घर से नहीं निकला तो शायद ये स्टोरी नहीं बनता. एंड आई डिड अ वाइस जॉब ऑफ लीविंग कोयम्बटूर. Interview in Baba Atomic Research Center, and I got a job. I was a mathematics man. I got a job to do thyroid testing. There is no connection. Fortunately, I was poor. Otherwise, ये काम मैं पढ़ा नहीं है. समझ गए? आजकल की बच्चा देखो इंटरव्यू में बैठा है, यू प्लीज take care of my specialization, what I have studied. So employer job is to find what he is good at. Employee is not willing to do whatever work is given. And I was working under a blind man for 20 years, 15 years. The man at an age of 40, he lost his eyesight. My job is to help him to gain more knowledge. I have to read science for him. Today's children will not work under a blind man. मेरा भविष्य क्या होएगा? देखो, तुम ब्लाइंड मैन के नीचे प्यार से काम करेगा, तुम भी बिलियनर बन सकते हो. So that is the power. I want all of you to remember one thing. You have only two options. One is what is easy to do, another is what is right to do. Unfortunately, what is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do, and I don't know what you will do. Is that clear? And there is nothing known as right decision. Hello? There is nothing known as right decision. Take a decision and make it right. Is that clear? And there is nothing known as right spouse. वो सोच के हंसता है. So I was in Baba Atomic Research Center, and then my father-in-law was in love with me. To tell it was not a love marriage, and I didn't want to marry a Bombay girl because I am from a village. So 3-4 साल refuse किया, but then they persuaded. Listen to me, success in life is not hard work, persuasion. Very often we think, nahi, he is not agreeing, he is not working. Let me also tell you, any customer who refuses business will give you businesses. Anyone who tells I will give you business, he may not give you business. So please persuade. My father-in-law persuaded. Finally, I married. She was working with State Bank of India. You get to the YouTube and put Velumani Raj Shamani. How I got married, it's a wonderful story. And with the limited time, I don't want to dwell on that. You enjoy that dialogues. But finally, we are married, 2 children. Because I worked under a blind man, he was grateful to me and gave me 2 degrees, MSc and PhD. Otherwise, BSc ka saath band hota tha. So 2 children, 2 degrees, 2 promotions, too many increments. ऐसा कोई आजकल सोचता है क्या? Right? Let me tell you, recently किसी लड़का ने एक मोबाइल लेके सामने आया था, मुझे लगा कि वो रील बना रहा है. उसने पूछा सवाल, Sir, are all rich people happy? Very challenging question. I said, I don't know whether all rich are happy or not, but only happier have become richer. Without being happy, you can't become rich. Do you agree? I was extremely happy. One of my colleagues is sitting here who was working with me in BRC. For them, all my exit from BRC was the biggest shock. मैं कभी किसी को ये नहीं बोला मैं छोड़ूंगा, निकल गया. मेरा बहुत सारा कोलीग्स थे, हर रोज बोलता था मैं निकलूंगा, वो आज तक निकला नहीं है. In life, either you can discuss or you can decide. You can't do both. Hello? Right? If you discuss, you just can't decide. Especially with your family members, if you discuss, gone. In fact, I will teach you how to take a decision. Make a presentation of what you want to do, making all people loving you to sit in front of you. After the presentation, if all tell, don't do it, please do that. Because what is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do, and they will not allow you to do what is difficult to do. So, at an age of 37, I had a research done in thyroid. My PhD was in thyroid biochemistry. I knew in thyroid there is too much of demand, too little supply, the rates were high, and I felt I can disrupt the business. So that is the time, 37. I was 37, my son was 5, my daughter was 3. And I took a decision because of 2-3 reasons. I want all of you to understand what were the reasons for making that decision, what pushed me or what made me. First and foremost, there was enough closing balance in my savings bank. आजकल पूरा EMI बैठा है. मेरा पास closing balance 2 lakh rupees in 1995 is almost 2 crore rupees today. My monthly expenditure was only 5,000. How many months family is safe? 40 months, which is roughly around 5 years, family is safe. Tick number 1. All my colleagues had already had 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom kitchens. Idhar tak EMI. I was the only guy without EMI. Tick number 2. Tick number 3, my wife is working with State Bank of India. और क्या चाहिए? So I didn't discuss anything. I will tell you some punchlines which I didn't tell that time, but I can connect that now. जीने आया या जीतने आया. जीना तो कोयम्बतूर में भी जी सकता था. मुंबई तक आया तो जीतना है. बड़ा बनना है या बुढ़ा बनना है. बुढ़ा तो अपने आप बनता है, वो भी सरकार नौकरी में जल्दी बनता है. बड़ा बनना है तो रिस्क लेना है. Is that clear? Without taking, there are only 2 kinds of people. One who has taken risk, other is KPM. Want to know what is this KPM? Kaya piya mar gaya. Risk liya to hi kuch baat banti hai. So I took a decision, filled in the resignation, came home. I didn't tell anything in the dinner. Night 2 o'clock, my wife asked me, "Aap aaj soya nahi hai?" I told I have resigned. Simple, straight. There was no emotion, there was no modulation in the voice. And she knows one thing, रात को मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ. And until that time she was horizontal, then she became vertical. And she went and switched on the light. She looked at my face for a few seconds and she said, अगर आप कल से ड्यूटी पे नहीं जाएगा तो मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगी. 3 टिक था, तीसरा टिक गया. Until that time I was horizontal. Then I also became vertical. And I told her, चलो साथ जिएंगे, साथ मरेंगे. Both of us left the job on the same day. मुझे डराने के लिए कोशिश. और मैं तो सलमान खान हूं. एक बार डिसीजन लेता हूं, खुद का नहीं सुनता हूं. And she didn't go. I think after 1 year, I asked her, कितना चर्बी थी? तुम्हारा नौकरी का सोचकर मैंने रिसाइन करके आया. मैं रिसाइन किया करके पता था, फिर भी तुम मुझे मेरा साथ नाटक किया था. What was the reason? She told one punchline. You know you will win. Even I know you will win. No one knows. Without me, you can't win. Right? I think that's a very powerful decision of my wife. Why I tell the marriage story as well as this resignation story is, these 2 things were the very major reasons for my success. Punchline goes like this. If your spouse trusts you, your energy is 10x. And if the spouse doubts you, the energy is 0.1x. It's lucky are those whose spouse believes, trusts, supports, follows, and I was fortunate. So that's one of the reason, very important reason. So I have resigned my job and I am into business, and let me tell you, in business, what and all I did different, what were all strategies which can help you if you can correlate with your product, service, it may help you. First and foremost, I priced it very low. The reason for pricing low was I knew what is cost volume relationship. Do you understand the word? If the volume is high, the cost is low. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो सिंपल लैंग्वेज पूछूंगा, मैं आके आपको एक पोटैटो वड़ा बना के देगा पूछेगा तो लगभग 100 रुपया खर्च होएगा. तेल गरम करना है, पोटैटो भी उबालना है, 100 रुपया खर्च होएगा एक पोटैटो वड़ा, राइट? अगर मुझे 100 चाहिए तो 10 रुपया ही होएगा. 1000 चाहिए तो शायद 3.5 रुपया भी होएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? स्केल ही केल है, स्केल नहीं तो खेल नहीं है. सो प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन स्केल. सो आई न्यू वन थिंग, वॉल्यूम आया तो रेट कम है, कास्ट कम है. पहले कौन सा आएगा? वॉल्यूम आएगा या रेट कम करना है? रेट कम करने से ही वॉल्यूम आता है. रेट नहीं कम किया तो वॉल्यूम नहीं आता है. I kept a low price. 90% of the businesses fail because they don't know how to put the selling price. In a fear of losing, in a greed of making more money, they keep the price high. And it doesn't work. There is no company in this world which has collapsed because they have priced it low. You can see the history. In spite of pricing it higher, you could not control the cost. That's the reason for failure. One is pricing low. Second one is a business model. कोयम्बतूर में एक ब्रांड है अन्नपूर्णा, single kitchen, 10 restaurant in the city. He made $1 billion then 1970-80, a businessman in Coimbatore. I thought, why pathology cannot be like that? Where test is done is kitchen, where blood is collected is a restaurant. I tried 10 restaurants in Mumbai. It clicked. Single lab. Then second destination for me was Pune. And I must thank Pune because Bombay didn't support me as much as Pune supported me, because Pune market was different, Bombay market was different, every market is different. Don't get disappointed if you find in one market there is no response. Dunia bada hai, 125 crore देशवासी है. So, model is single kitchen, multiple restaurants. Pune, Nasik, Surat succeeded. Chandigarh, Calcutta, Chennai succeeded. Mind you, all over the country, for a single lab for 1 billion population was done by me. No one ever thought that it can be done. तालियां तो एक बार बजनी चाहिए. The next one is a franchisee concept. किसी ने नहीं सोचा कि मेडिकल फील्ड में, पैथोलॉजी में फ्रेंचाइजी कॉन्सेप्ट आएगा. मैं सोचा कलेक्शन काम है उसका, मेरा है टेस्टिंग है. मुझे टैलेंट चाहिए, नॉलेज चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए, फ्लोर चाहिए, उसको सिर्फ कुरियर जैसा उसको जमा करना है. So what I did, created a franchisee concept. Unemployed, underemployed have been identified and told, देखो market is charging 600 rupees. You charge 300. Give me only 100. That fellow fell unconscious. 60 rupees margin. When he got up, he forgot to charge only 300, he charged 600. So he charges 600 and gives me 100. Then he realized he is married. So, next district, his wife. This district, he. Then he realized he has a girlfriend, this district. And that lady understood there is a boyfriend, that district. Mind you, all over the country, 750 outlets within a matter of 3 years. that was giving more to the distributor. जो कम लेना चाहता है उसको ज़्यादा ही मिलता है, जो ज़्यादा लेना चाहता है कम ही मिलता है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर वो नहीं जीता आप नहीं जीतेगा. If you want to become a billionaire, you must make 1,000 millionaires. If you want to become a crorepati, you must create at least 100 lakhpatis. There is no way you can alone succeed. You have to make the partner succeed. So this is my way of looking at things. The next one is punchline. जो जीतता है वो शायद हार सकता है, लेकिन जो जिताता है वो कभी हारता नहीं है. लोगों को जिताओ, एम्प्लॉइज को जिताओ, फ्रांचाइजी को जिताओ, परिवार वाला को जिताओ. यू विल बी द लीडर. सो जिताओ. The next one, McDonald's doesn't give masala dosa. Yes or no? Why they can't give? They don't know to do masala dosa? They don't want to give. Is that clear? Pathology as a business has two segments. One is diseases, another is disorders. Diseases come, diseases go. Disorders come, disorder doesn't go. And disorder, customer acquisition cost is only once. डायबिटीज आया जाता नहीं है, थायराइड आया जाता नहीं है, आर्थराइटिस आया जाता नहीं है. Is that clear? When the customer goes up, then the customer goes out. Is that clear? समझ गया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? Life long that customer is your customer. And बाकी मेरा पूरा competitor diseases में बैठे थे, मैं एक ही आदमी था, disorder में बैठा था. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen, there are three kinds of people. One who cannot see what others can see. He even cannot be an employee. The other man can see exactly what others can see. He is a wonderful employee. And the third man can see what others cannot see. He is the leader and he is the entrepreneur. You have to see very different, innovated. ऐसा कोई सोचा नहीं था, हुआ था. Velumani was the guy who focused on disorder, not diseases. Right? McDonald would have not come to India had they did all dishes. Want to listen to one more punchline? This is medical people. If here, please remember this. A multi-speciality is a short-term security. And a single speciality is a long-term prosperity. Right? So you need to focus, and I focused on disorders, right? And if you do one thing, you can do it everywhere. And if you do everything, you can do it only one place. Oh, very, very different way of looking at it. So I always advise people, focus, you can be very powerful. I have done a Uber. Before Uber came into country, taxis were standing for 20 hours, running for 4 hours. Now they are running for 20 hours, standing for 4 hours. Yes or no? Until I came into picture, thyroid testing machine was only running for 2 hours in a day. I am the only guy who made machines to run 24 hours. A standing machine is a liability. A running machine is an asset. So make sure your machines run, efficiencies, productivity, all will only add to the business. Otherwise it will not. I have done an Amazon. Until Amazon came into country, home delivery was not ever a concept. In the last 10 years, in around 1,000 cities, they are doing next day morning home delivery. Until I came into picture, pathology test was not home delivered for more than 5%. Only for old non-ambulatory, it was home service. In 25 years, I made 90% home delivery across the country. So that is a very different innovation. और एक बार तालियां तो होनी चाहिए. I also have done a Walmart. Walmart doesn't make profit from the customer. It makes profits from the vendor. They ask quotation for tens of thousands or lakhs and millions of pieces, and they get 45%, 50% discount in MRP. Aur kya chahiye? Is that clear? I did exactly that. I want all of you to listen to these numbers carefully. If you do 100 tests per month, it is 150 rupees per test. 1,000 per month, 120. 10,000 per month, 90. 100,000 per month, it is 60. I was doing 100,000 per day, 30 rupees. Is that clear? सीधी बात है. Punchline. If you know the pricing, if you know the COGS पता है क्या है? Cost of goods, right? So if you know COGS, you can do business. But if you know your vendor COGS, you can disrupt the business. Is that clear? MTNL, BSNL था, उसका बाद एयरटेल आया था, उसका बाद जियो आया था, पैथोलॉजी में वेलुमणि straight जियो लाया था. That's the most powerful disruption. Price it low, keep the quality. There are only two ways in which you can do business. Only two ways in which you can do business. At the same rate, give a better quality. Or same quality, give a lesser rate. Full stop. You can't do business in any other way. सब ये कैसे होएगा? वो नहीं होएगा तो कहीं ना कहीं नौकरी करके बैठो. बिजनेस में नहीं सचमुच होएगा. I didn't give any better quality. I worked on volume, I worked on scale, and I gave them at a cheaper rate. So that is a few things which were innovations there. And IT, HR, logistics, ये तीन नहीं होता है तो बिजनेस में स्केल नहीं होएगा. बहुत सारा बिजनेस स्केल होके फेल होता है. स्केल करने के लिए कोशिश करके फेल इसलिए होता है. IT, HR, logistics. IT, ThyroCare web server is the oldest web server in the healthcare industry. तो उसका मतलब टेस्ट ट्यूब के ऊपर हिंदुस्तान में पहले बार किसी ने बारकोड लगाया, वो मैं ही था. बारकोड लगा दिया, मशीन बारकोड रीड करता है, बारकोड बोलता है टेस्ट कौन सा है, और मशीन वो टेस्ट करता है, रिजल्ट आता है, रिजल्ट डायरेक्टली सर्वर जाता है, मैन्युअल वर्क जीरो हो गया है. इज दैट क्लियर? मेक माई ट्रिप, वो प्रमोटर रात को सोता है, पैसा रात को अपने आप बनता है. बुक माई स्कैन वैसा ही होता है. थायराइड भी टेस्टिंग ऐसा ही मैं लेबोरेटरी में किया. IT is most important. Please never ignore. Spend enough on IT. Create a good IT solution. HR मैंने पहले ही बोला था, फ्रेशर को लो, ट्रेन करो. Ladies and gentlemen, in my office, if somebody has to join, there are 4 boxes. At least 3 should be ticked. Should be a fresher. Should be from a village. Next one should be poor. 4th one, tuta futa English is the best. No good English. Good English is bad for job. Right? And I created a huge empire. My CEO, my vice president, my general manager all started first day, first job under me only. This is creating the most powerful organization. The HR cost for my competitor was 25%. My HR cost was 11%. Have you understood? There are 2 companies in the same industry. One makes the highest profit. Another makes the highest, biggest loss. Which are these 2 companies? Can you tell? Indigo and Air India. Is that clear? Both are in airline. One company makes highest profit. So it doesn't matter which industry you are. human resources is the best. By the by, all air hostess of Air India are would-be mother-in-laws. All air hostess of Indigo are would-be daughter-in-laws. Have you noticed that? Your employee age and your profitability, there is a huge correlation. Keep employee age low. सर क्या कौन सा दवा देना है, कौन सा इंजेक्शन देना है? Every year take 25% more people. Full stop. सर पैसा बहुत लगेगा. No. Every employee earns his salary if he is guided. हर बच्चे को मैं इंटरव्यू लेता हूं, उसका आंखों में ये 2 करोड़ दिखता है, उसमें 1 करोड़ उसका, 1 करोड़ मेरा है. ले लो. And let me also tell you, if you take and you yourself train an employee for 100 days, equivalent to 1,000 days trained from competition. Is that clear? What is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do, and I don't know what you will do. Invest on HR. Dream success चाहिए तो टीम चाहिए, और टीम सक्सेस होना है तो उनके अंदर स्टीम चाहिए, मोटिवेशन. A dream, a team, and a steam. So HR is ultimate, and I made my children to feel that they are working in a great company, and 25 years, 25,000 people I had employed. Logistics. How much do you think it will I have to spend from Calcutta to Mumbai for one specimen to come? Just guess. Huh? 5,000. Yeah, because whether you send one specimen or 1,000 specimen, you have to spend for 10 kilograms, they charge 4,000. But in a 10 kilogram box, you can bring 5,000 specimen. 5,000 specimen, 4,000 rupees, less than 1 rupee per specimen. Is that clear? Scale nahi to kale nahi. And my sample cost from Calcutta to Mumbai was only 1 rupee per specimen. And mind you, from 60 airports, every night, same night, before midnight, and only in the night, I used to get all the sample on my floor. Blue Dot cannot do. Have you understood what I'm talking? This is logistics. The next point, I didn't copy the competitor. I copied the newspaper industry. News is collected in the day. News is printed in the night. Yes or no? Velumani, sample was collected in the day. Sample was tested in the night. Next day morning, 6 o'clock, download the report like newspaper it was reaching. Have you got it? Punchline. ओ मत करो जो पड़ोसी कर रहा है, ओ मत करो जो पड़ोसी कर रहा है, क्योंकि फिर आप वो ही होगा जो पड़ोसी हुआ है. बाद में ये मत रहो कि मेरा इंटेलिजेंस को कोई कदर नहीं करता है. हट से करो. That's known as, in a lot of innovations I did, and that's the strategies. That's the new way of doing business. So what it gave rise to? A company which was growing 25% year over year for 25 years. Is that clear? Now both graph which they have shown, if they can sustain the growth, by year 2040, they will have 5,000 crore turnover. CAGR is most important. I had a 25% CAGR. I started the company with 150 square feet rented garage. In 25th year, I am having 5 lakh rupees owned premises. Other than that, 15 acres of land in Navi Mumbai. Is that clear? Continuing to grow 25% year over year for 25 years. And mind you, in the entire world, India is cheapest in healthcare. Agreed? In entire India, I was the cheapest. My balance sheet had 40% EBITDA. 40% EBITDA for 25 years. ये थोड़ा अजीब सा दिखता है ना? अजीब था. That much obsession, that much perfection, that much involvement, all made sure the company had never borrowed. A company has never borrowed in 25 years. No single rupee has come inside the company as equity. थोड़ा अजीब से लगता है ना? No money has come inside the company. I didn't have an itching to do the pitching. आजकल बच्चे लोग स्टार्टअप आइडिया रख के पिचिंग करता है, लेकिन पिचिंग नहीं किया. किसी को पता लगा थायरोकेयर करके एक कंपनी है, वो सीधा आ गया. सर, आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर कंपनी. Why in my company? Sir, it's growing well. I don't want to sell. No, sir, we want to buy. Mind you, if you go and pitch, the value is half. If they come and pitch, the value is double. अरे किसने बोला गांव वालों को दिमाग नहीं है? उसका जितना दिमाग है, that's the most powerful way. They were in front of my table. They wanted my stock. And I didn't go for E&Y, I didn't go for KPMG, asking मेरा कंपनी का क्या वैल्यू आएगा. मैं तो सलमान खान हूँ. सोचा कंपनी में भी वर्थ 200 करोड़. मैंने सोचा 400 बोलेगा, ये लोग चला जाएगा. 400 करोड़. है? What logic? Made them to sit down. 500. सर, 2 क्वार्टर गया, 100 करोड़ बढ़ा दिया. 2 क्वार्टर अच्छा गया. They got annoyed. Before the coffee came, they went away. I was extremely happy that I'm not diluting. You see, who want to dilute? The third time the same guys come. उसका मतलब मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूं. काफी को क्यों वेस्ट करना है बार बार? I told 600 crore. I thought they will go away. Checkbook लाया है. Trust me, I diluted 25% and took 150 crores to put into this pocket only to see इसी pocket में 500 रुपया लेके आया था, अभी 150 करोड़ रुपया है. A very important thrill चाहिए, right? Exactly after 18 months, another party comes. I asked them, किसने भेजा? उसने ही भेजा. Guys, all those boys who are unmarried and just married, listen to my advice. You must love your wife so much. Your mother-in-law is advising you to marry the second daughter also. Many old men are feeling मेरा बहुत लेट हो गया. One investor, you give growth so much, he is sending another investor. Have you noticed that? So I thought 600 करोड़ बोला था, 18 महीना हो गया, 100 नहीं बढ़ाना है, 200 बढ़ाना है. फिर मैंने सोचा 800 बोलूंगा. If they tell checkbook लाया है, फंस गया. समझ गया? माइंड गेम. मन चाहता था 1000 बोलूं, मुंह से निकला 1200. चेकबुक लाया है. Trust me, at 1200 crore, 600 to 1200 crore in 18 months, and I diluted another 10%. So 2 investors, 5 years go. The investor want to go out. He asked me, can we do an IPO in a board meeting? Why not? मैं तो सोचता ही नहीं है, बस झट से. My family took me. IPO बहुत झंझट है. पब्लिक के पास 10 शेयर रहेगा तो भी वो सिर चिल्लाएगा, गाली देगा. डोंट डाइल्यूट, कितना हमारा कुछ लोन सही किया, चुपचाप प्रॉफिट लेंगे, सो जाएंगे, क्यों IPO? सुन, I left Coimbatore in 1982 only for thrill. After 4 years, I married a Bombay girl only for thrill. After 10 years, I resigned my government job only for thrill. Then I took private equity guys inside only for thrill. Then they understood IPO is only for thrill. Is that clear? No one could stop me, and I went for an IPO. 2016, May month, the IPO was on. First day it got subscribed 5 times. Wow. Your IPO gets subscribed means your concept is well accepted. First day 5 times, second day 10 times. मैंने सोचा it could be 20 times the third day. Third day शाम को 4 बजे 75 times it was subscribed. All news channels, वेलमणि, कोयम्बटूर, विलेज नेम. तभी मेरा गांव वाला को पता चला कि मैं थायरो केयर बिजनेस मैं ही चलाता हूं, किसी को नहीं पता. One more punchline comes here. Never get into limelight till you become successful. Because once you become successful, come to the limelight, you can't become successful. Distractions. So I did it. 75 times subscription, celebrating with my team members. Suddenly I am seeing a lawyer notice. Accused number 1 me. All directors, all lead managers, National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, ROC. इतना लोगों को नोटिस आया है, तो मैं क्यों डरना है? कुछ अकेला आएगा तो डरना है, राइट? सो गया. तीसरा दिन बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट से समन्स. एक्यूजेशन क्या था? Half an hour before 4 o'clock, we came to submit the bid. Computer was hanging. किसका कंप्यूटर? उसका कंप्यूटर. नोटिस किसको आता है? कोर्ट में गया, कोर्ट में बुलाया, जज पूछता है, Do you have objection in taking this money? हेलो, सवाल क्या है? Do you have objection in taking this money? इनका काम है लंदन में जाके एक एक चोर को वापस लेके आ गया पैसा रिकवर करना है. ये गरीब कमजोर मद्रासी को पूछता है, Do you have objection in taking this money? My answer was, I have no objection. Judgment. See, within 5 minutes the case is finished. Judgment. Accept this money. How many letters? Accept this money. Mind you, the complaint was made by Kotak Mahindra Bank and the amount was 350 crores single check. जज बोल रहा ले लो, नहीं तो मैं लेगा तो कोर्ट दूसरा वाला लड़ेगा, उसको क्यों लिया टाइम खत्म होने का बाद. So, such a powerful business, somebody went to the high court and put the money inside the company. जब भी भगवान देता है, हाई कोर्ट से दिलाता है. So, after 4 days, the get listed. The first day getting listed with 36% appreciation at the IPO price. Velumani was hero in the entire Dalal Street. And I was about to ring the bell in the National Stock Exchange. Unfortunately, did I use this word so far? I lost my wife. I lost her for pancreatic cancer. And I was such a big disaster happened just 50 days before my IPO. Just 50 days before her death we diagnosed. पूरा दुनिया का diagnosis किया और मेरा मिसेस का नहीं किया गया. And she passed away. And she was the one who taught me, who made me MSc and PhD. And she was the one who made a scientist, an entrepreneur, a storyteller. And she was the one who taught me Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. It was almost like an Everest expedition, only 50 meters left out, and she left my hand. She did all what I said. She also did all what I forgot to say. She also did all what I never thought she can do. And she also did all what even I could have not done. Please give a round of applause to this most powerful lady. Thank you. So I lost interest in the business, though company became $500 million market cap. I lost interest in the business because, as I said, it was a collective journey. And then I thought I should hand over this company to somebody. And if I go, it is 20% less. If they come, it's 20% more. Is that clear? And I waited for somebody to come. Before that, COVID came. And in COVID, I did another hangama when every pathologist was crying that 4,800 rupees for RT-PCR is too less. I went and met the health secretary, Maharashtra. He called me and I went there. Velumani, what rate will you quote? I told him, what volume can you give? Very tough question. Have you noticed? He said, if the rate is good, I can give you 40,000 a day. And I said, give me 1,000 rupees, I will do. Have you noticed what it is? This is known as business. Volume, if it is there, any rate you can do business. And I did scale up from 400 tests per day to 40,000 tests per day in 10 months' time. 600 rupees share price in 10 months becomes 1,400 rupees share price. And somebody came to me, want to buy your stock. And that time the market was at $1 billion market cap. I signed and exited. Most powerful exit, the decision took only 90 minutes. And the single largest healthcare industry deal was done by Dr. Velumani from Coimbatore, the son of a farmer. And that's what everybody can do. And that is what I wanted all of you to keep in your mind. Koi bhi, kuch bhi kar sakta hai. You must have focus in place, frugality in place, discipline in place. That will make business is not a 100-meter dash. It is a marathon race. But let me conclude my talk with a punchline which I don't miss nowadays to tell. When a man is successful, families prosper. But when a woman is successful, societies prosper. My mother was never celebrated. My wife was never celebrated. You are all celebrating only me. What I have done, what I could disrupt the market. I could reduce the cost for pathology tests all over the country single-handedly. But that single hand was my mother's and my wife's. Once again, please give a round of applause for them. Thank you very much. Wish you all a happy learning. Manish Gupta is doing a wonderful job. And there is nothing like motivating people and putting them into right place, in a right channel, a right thought process. I wish all of you create $1 billion company. But as I said, you must create 1,000 millionaires. Otherwise, you won't be able to reach them. Once again, thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.